The 2011 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, fog lamps, rear window defroster, child safety rear door locks, electronic stability package, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, side curtain airbag, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, halogen headlamps, privacy glass. Come take a test drive today.